University of South Florida is an AAU university. We're kind of like a small city. We have about 55,000 students and campuses that are across the Tampa Bay area. We knew that for the university community to be able to adopt these technologies, that we needed to have a rapid rollout that would create like a multiplier effect, that our smartest assets are our students. They're the most creative, they understand digital.
This program is a real win-win for our students and our staff.
It's a structured program where the students are taught to be change agents and they're taught to solve real problems.
Once we've onboarded them, they go through around 8 sessions of hands-on training from Microsoft on the whole Microsoft 365 suite, as well as Copilot. And then we also have a change management session that we do. From there, the students are paired up and then we match them with a client, which is a faculty or staff member that has expressed interest in getting some training or some help with a specific tool. And then the students engage with that client for around a month or so. And during that time, we'll have regular checkpoints with them, and they also complete weekly status reports. And from there, they create a presentation that they then deliver to USF and Microsoft leadership.
We had like an executive assistant that was showing us the meeting minutes she would make. We were able to help her create an agent based off of her past meeting minutes. It really just lessened a big burden on her. And with that extra time, she was able to use it towards other important tasks.
The speed at which they created value, I think, was really awesome. In some cases, they said it was a 50 to 65% reduction in the time it took them to do a certain task.
Every role benefits from learning artificial intelligence, and that the biggest barrier is that just teaching people how to be able to use it effectively. We're interested in expanding the use cases and into other campuses. And I think that's the moment where I realized that our work mattered. It definitely made me realize that artificial intelligence isn't necessarily just for engineers and technical people.
I'm excited to see where agents go. I think with each cohort we have, the students have new ideas for how they can automate stuff. It's always really cool to see like kind of light bulb moment when we introduce the students to their client and they start talking about the things that they could do with them and just how excited they are.
Folks quickly realized, what a force multiplier, using these embedded AI tools within the Microsoft productivity suites could be for them. And I think that's what made it really, really fun. I think the students had a great time and the clients had a great time because, they were working with people who have this infectious enthusiasm for finding solutions. This is going to grow and hopefully keep on growing.